Okay, Taufika and Nabil, we will look at like how to extend a simple sentence. So a simple sentence in Arabic is this: Nasara, which means he helped in English. So Nasara is a one-word sentence. It's just one word, but it is a sentence in Arabic. Nasara, he helped. If you want to extend it, if you want to make it longer, then you just add another word. So Nasara Nabilun. Now the meaning is Nabil helped. Okay, when you have Nasara, it means he helped. Now you added another word. Now it's a two-word sentence. It means Nabil helped. Now, if you want to make it even longer, then you add another word with this. So Nasara Nabilun Jamilan. Yeah, the third word is Jamil, which means Nabil helped Jamil. Nasara Nabilun, Nabil helped Jamilan, Jamil. Nasara Nabilun Jamilan, Nabil helped Jamil. Now it's a three-word sentence. Okay. So again, a simple sentence is Nasara, he helped. If you want to make it longer, then you add another word as a fa'il, as a dua. So you say Nasara Nabilun, Nabil helped. And then if you want to make it even longer, then you add another word as a maf'ul, as an object. Now it becomes Nasara Nabilun Jamilan. And now it's a three-word sentence. Now it means Nabil helped Jamil. Nasara, he helped. Nasara Nabilun, Nabil helped. Nasara Nabilun Jamilan, Nabil helped Jamil. Now let's look at an example. Taufika, read this Arabic sentence.
ضرب he beat.
Daraba.
ضرب
Daraba
عقيل.
is a simple sentence. It's just one word, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we want to make it longer, we can add a name. For example, Aqil. Go ahead, read this now.
ضرب عقيل عقيل بيت.
Aqil bit. Now we've got two words, and it's a sentence. Daraba Aqilun. And we added Aqil to Daraba as a fa'il. As what? We added Aqil to Daraba as what?
As a فاعل.
Nabil, you are not answering. As what?
As a فاعل.
And how do we know it's a fa'il?
Because it has a ضمة.
Because we gave it Dhamma. Yeah, and it's a singular word. Aqil is one person. And we know we give Dhamma to a singular fa'il. We give Dhamma to a
Singular فاعل. Singular فاعل.
singular fa'il. Aqil is one person, so it's singular. And that's why we gave it Dhamma. Daraba Aqilun, Aqil bit. Now we want to make it even longer. We want to extend it further. So Daraba Aqilun, we had it already. Now we're going to add another name, Labiban. Labiban. So Daraba Aqilun Labiban. Aqil bit Labib. Now Labib, we added Labib as what, Tawfika?
As a مفعول.
As a
مفعول.
maf'ul. And as a sign of maf'ul, what did we give it?
A فتحة. كسرة.
Fatha, fatha. So we give fatha to a singular maf'ul. Can you repeat? We give fatha to a singular maf'ul. Repeat.
فتحة to a singular مفعول.
Again.
We give فتحة to a singular مفعول.
We give fatha to a singular maf'ul. Labib is one person, so it's singular, and that's why we gave it fatha, because it is a maf'ul. So the whole sentence is daraba aqilun labiban. Aqil beat labib. Aqil beat labib. Who beat? Aqil beat. So Aqil is the fa'il. We gave it dhamma. Whom did he beat? Whom did Aqil beat? Aqil beat Labib. So Labib is maf'ul, and that's why we gave Labib fatha as a maf'ul. Did you guys understand so far?
Yeah.
Very good. Now we will look at some examples. Tawfika, read this example.
كتب الله التقدير.
Meaning?
Allah wrote the fate.
Allah wrote the fate. Who wrote?
Allah wrote.
So the word Allah is fa'il. We gave it dhamma, right?
Yes.
And at-taqdira, what did he write?
The fate.
the fate, which is taqdir. And what did we give?
A fatha.
A fatha. As a maf'ul or as a fa'il?
As a maf'ul.
As a maf'ul, because the rule is we give dhamma to a singular fa'il and fatha to a singular maf'ul. Can you repeat this rule?
We give dhamma to a singular fa'il and fatha to a singular maf'ul.
We give a singular fa'il because it's not a singular maf'ul.
No, I think you are mixed up. Tawfiqa, repeat the rule.
We give dhamma to a singular fa'il and fatha to a singular maf'ul.
Nabil, can you repeat?
We give a singular. We give a
dhamma.
singular.
We give dhamma to a singular fa'il.
We give a dhamma to a singular fa'il and we give fatha to a singular maf'ul.
Very good. Now Nabil, read this.
خلق الله الإنسان.
خلق الله الإنسان, meaning
Allah created the human being.
Allah created.
Allah created a human being.
Who created?
Allah created.
So Allah created. So the word Allah is fa'il. We gave it what?
Dhamma.
A dhamma, because it is a fa'il. And whom did he create?
The
Human being.
father.
Yeah, the human being in English, the human being. So insan is the human being. What did we give it?
Dhamma. No.
Fatha. Fatha as a maf'ul. What did we give it, Tawfiqa?
A fatha as a maf'ul.
Yeah. Okay, now the next one, Tawfiqa.
خلق الله السماء. Allah created the sky.
Can you explain? What is what?
Allah, we gave it a dhamma because it is a fa'il.
How do we know it's a fa'il?
Because who it said who
We asked the
created
question,
the sky.
who created?
We asked the question. Who created the sky? Allah created the sky.
So the answer is Allah. So the word Allah is fa'il, that's why we gave it dhamma.
Dhamma.
And then as-sama'a.
As-sama'a, we ask what? The question, what did he create? He created the sky.
What did he create? So he created the sky. So the word sama is maf'ul. And we gave it fatha. Okay, and that's it. Okay, Nabil, read the next example.
خلق الله الأرض.
Meaning?
Allah created the earth.
Allah created the earth. Very good. Next one now, Tawfiqa. Unmute, Tawfiqa.
Sorry. خلق الله الماء. Allah created the water.
Next one, Nabil.
خلق الله الملائكة. Allah created the angels.
Allah created the angel. Next, Tawfiqa.
خلق الله الأنبياء. Allah created the prophets.
Very good. So let me explain this again. We have one word, which is khalaqa. Yeah, it's a simple sentence. We want to extend it. We want to extend this sentence, or we want to make this sentence longer. So we will add another word, Allahu. Khalaqallahu as a fa'il. The meaning will be Allah created. We want to extend it further. We want to make it even longer. So we add al-insana as a maf'ul. Yeah. Now we have three words to make a sentence. The meaning will be Allah created the human being. This is how we extend a sentence. Do you guys understand how to extend a sentence now?
Yes.
So if you have a fa'il, you add, if you have a fa'il, you add a fa'il and then you add a maf'ul. You have a fa'il, you add a fa'il and then you add a maf'ul. You have a fa'il, you add a fa'il and then you add a maf'ul. You have a fa'il, you add a fa'il and then you add a maf'ul. You have a fa'il, you add a fa'il and then you add a maf'ul. You have a fa'il, you add a fa'il and then you add a maf'ul. And every time you add a fa'il, you give it Dhamma. Every time you add a maf'ul, you give it fatha.
Fatha.
Every time you add a fa'il, what do?
You'll give is Dhamma.
You give dhamma. Tawfiq, unmute and answer. And every time you add a maf'ul, what do?
You give fatha.
You
Fatha.
give fatha. Every time you add a fa'il, what do you give it to?
Dhamma.
Dhamma.
You give it dhamma. Every time you add a maf'ul,
Fatha.
Fatha.
you give it fatha. Every time you add a fa'il, you give it
Dhamma.
dhamma. And a maf'ul,
Fatha.
fatha. A fa'il,
Dhamma.
a maf'ul,
Fatha.
Fatha.
fa'il,
Dhamma.
dhamma. A maf'ul,
Fatha.
fatha. So it's easy. You give dhamma to a singular fa'il and you give fatha to a singular maf'ul. Did you guys understand it?
Yes.
Very good. If you understand these sentences, then you will understand a lot of sentences in the Quran. A lot of sentences in the Quran. You have all these words used in the Quran. So when you recite the Quran, you will come across lots of words. Some of will have dhamma, some of them will have fatha, and you will understand that easily. Yeah, if it's a fa'il, it will have a dhamma. If it's a maf'ul, it will have a fatha. But there are other things as well. Slowly, you will cover those things. For now, just take this fa'il and maf'ul. And make sure you revise it again and again, and we will do more, inshallah, later on. Thank you.